tell me what a synonym is? Has anyone heard of it before? Jackson. Okay, well those might be some examples, but what does the word mean? Eunice, do you know? No. Gennaro?
Is it two words that sound different? Oh, no. They are the same, but they sound different.
Close.
It's a synonym is the opposite, like of gigantic, it's small.
Okay, that's very good. I'm going to write the meaning on the board, but a synonym is two words that there are two different words, but they have the same meaning. So let's write this. Well, you said that they sound the same. Two words.
Wait, I told you that. That means
with the same meaning.
Like gigantic and big.
Right, okay. Well, I'm going to read you a story, and it's going to help us understand synonyms a little better, okay? Now, what I need you to do is pay close attention to the words in this book, okay?
I read that book before.
Because you might hear them again, okay?
I read that book before.
Pitch and throw, grasp, and know.
I read that.
What is a synonym?
Matthew Rogers, will you please buzz the front desk?
Do you feel tired or beat or exhausted from making the cake that you baked and you frosted? Because there are synonyms, you get to choose from a whole list of possible words you can use. They are words that are practically nearly the same, like gentle, subdued, or incredibly tame. Synonyms help us be less repetitious by letting us choose between glued plates or dishes. Celestial bodies are often called stars. Streets can be avenues. Autos are cars. Synonyms help us to be more exact, as in our fridge was raided or stormed or attacked. They give us more options and make things precise, like nippy or freezing or chilly as ice. There are words like toss and pitch and throw, comprehend and grasp, and know. Yell and holler, jump and leap, fly and soar, and doze and sleep. Richness and depth are what synonyms raise when they're used in a paragraph, sentence, or phrase. A lovely and pretty and beautiful city. A cat or a feline could be called a kitty. They let us pick showering, raining, or pouring. Without them, our language would be surely boring. You can choose between grateful or thankful, beholden for the sneakers or tennis shoes, yellow or golden. Don't you agree that it's pretty appealing we have all these choices to say how we're feeling? So now you're a master, an expert, a whiz, because you know just what a synonym is. So what is a synonym? Do you know? Raise your hand if you know what a synonym is. All right. Okay, well, I'm going to show you a trick to remember what a synonym is, okay? So who can tell me what this first letter of synonym is? Let's everyone say what it is. S. Now, S is also in same. So that's going to be a creative way to remember what synonym means. If you ever are trying to remember, S for same, S
words, and Y for silly.
Okay,
It's a word.
that's true, but we're just looking at synonym and same. Do you all see that? Okay, so now we are going to play a fun bingo game to help us practice our synonyms, okay? Well, you need to listen carefully. Has everyone played bingo before?
Yes,
You know how to play?
we made a new one called
Caleb, you know how to play bingo? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
This is a free one. I'm going to search.
But listen to the directions, okay? You have 8 blanks on your bingo card. you need to choose from these 14 words and put them in your 8 blanks. So you can start down here and say woods, soil, gaze, and do 8. You must fill every box in before we play. Okay, so choose wisely what words. No, like, look, Jackson can put cold here and smart down there. Kind of like mix it up a little bit. See how Caleb's mixing it up? Mm-hmm.
So we can choose whatever words.
You can choose whatever words you want. And I'm going to read them out. You'll see in a minute. Good, Roy. Switch them up just a little bit.
It's called gigantic. I smell coffee. That's nice.
Can you have M&M's, Caleb? Yep.
Yeah, we always eat them.
And the M&M's are going to be what we use to fill in our spaces when we play. You'll have to see if you guys have good behavior, then we can eat the M&M's. So just dump them out on your table for now. Keep them in your own little area. Try not to let them spill. Has everyone filled in? Eunice, make sure you fill in your boxes. Gennaro, did you fill in all your spaces? Okay. Jackson, are you still working? Okay.
How many are there in here? Oh, everybody's going to do?
No, everyone's going to do something different.
I got 17. Is everybody going to do?
Put your thumb here when you're done filling in your spaces.
Here?
Thumb at your chest when you're done. Bless you. Okay, good. Now, everyone listen to the directions. So what's going to happen is you want to fill in 3 boxes going across, down, or diagonal.
So what are we doing with all of them? What does that free one mean?
That means you can put an M&M there. You can already start off with an
What are we
M&M.
doing when we keep all the words?
You're just trying to get 3 in a row. Okay, so listen, I'm going to call out a synonym to one of the words in your spaces. Okay, so for example, if I call out giggle, what's that a synonym for? Laugh. So you would just put your M&M on laugh.
What is a giggle?
Well, that's a synonym. I'm going to call it out. So when you hear a synonym to one of your words, put an M&M on top of it. Do you understand, Eunice?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
So you have to listen carefully. The first word is large. You must find a synonym on your bingo board for large. And if you don't have it, that just means you didn't write it down. So that's okay.
Wait, it needs